Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet's Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today's featured recipe is a super simple buckwheat salad. So let me take you through how I put together this phenomenal, flavorful and easy to make salad. So I have here 1 cup of buckwheat that I've cooked in 2 cups of water, half teaspoon sea salt, and then once the buckwheat is finished, you add 4 ounces of string beans. These string beans I've cut in about 1-inch pieces. You could certainly decide to add the string beans fresh. I like it to get a little steamed, but still very firm for the salad. Okay, so to this we're going to add, this is 3, I like mini cucumbers, but you could certainly use an English cucumber, which is my next favorite. These are good because they really don't have any seeds and I leave the skin on. So these are 3 cucumbers that have been chopped or diced. I have tomatoes. This is 3 Roma or plum tomatoes that has also been diced pretty small. Onions, I have here half a red onion that's been finely diced. Scallions, this is about 3 scallions that have also been finely diced. Salt, so let's season this with some salt, fresh ground black pepper, and I have cumin. So what I want to do with the cumin is add it to lemon juice. This is 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to stir this. Add to the bowl. I have olive oil. This is 1/4 cup of olive oil. Sounds like a lot, but it's not. Dill. This is about 1/4 cup of dill, and I also have freshly minced garlic. This is about 2 small garlic. You need to just stir this. Okay, so once you have this all mixed, I need a few more ingredients. I'm going to put a little bit of tarty sweetness in it. So these are 2 tree-ripened peaches. So I am just going to dice these as well. I'm just going to add this to the bowl here. Okay, the next thing we need is an avocado. And you really want to do this at the very last minute. This one is nice and firm, so it's easy to prepare like this. I'm going to dice these. They don't have to be perfect. Okay, I'm going to add more lemon juice, especially since the avocado was just added. You want to make sure it doesn't oxidize or get brown, if you will. I'm going to add some more salt and pepper. I'm using feta cheese. It tastes really good in this salad. This is about 8 ounces of this. You could just break it up. You could use less cheese if you prefer. You could leave them in as big or as little chunks as you wish. Can you imagine a salad smelling really good? This is one of them. Just mix it. Okay, so this I'm going to allow it to sit for at least an hour before serving, but that's it. Very simple. Absolutely delicious. Okay, beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed watching how Yasmin made this super delicious, very simple buckwheat salad. Your thumbs up is very much appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, you know what to do. Click on my icon or my profile picture, my left, your right. To get the details of this delicious recipe, mouse on over to my food blog at julietkitchen.com. Until next time, happy cooking!